Hello students, we are going to study unit number 6, that is multi-threading, exception handling and applets of object-oriented programming, part 5. In this part, we are going to study how to create an applet, what is applet, and what are the different types of applets we can write, and the life of applets we are going to study in this presentation. First of all, we'll see applets. Applets are Java program that can be embedded in an HTML document. Applet is a small Java program that can be easily transported over the network from one computer to another. It is used in internet applications. Applets are embedded in an HTML page, can be downloaded from server and run on the client so that as to do a specific kind of job. In simple language, the applets are what we see on web pages are called as applets, which is written in HTML language. We'll see the advantages of Java applets. These are simple programs that provide good user interface. The applets can run many platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Mac. It supports by most of the web browsers such as Internet Explorer, Netscape, Navigator, Mozilla Browser, etc. It is for supporting real-time applications. Using applet client-server communication is possible. Now we'll see disadvantages of applets. It requires Java plugins and cannot be able to default on web browsers. Its GUI-based programming is complex and compared to scripting languages, technologies such as HTML, DHTML, Flash, and so on. It takes lot of downloading time, hence it is slower to execute. These are the disadvantages of applets. Now we'll see what is the difference between application and applet. Java application contains main method, but Java applet does not contain main method. In application does not require internet connection to execute, but applets require internet connection to execute. Application is a standalone application. The applet is a part of web page. Applications can run without a browser. The applet requires a compatible browser for execution. Application uses Stream.io class where the applets use GUI interface provided by AWT or Swings. The application is entry point is main method, but the applet does not have main method. Therefore, the entry point is initialize method, which is init method. Application is generally used for console programming, but the applet is used generally for I/O interfaces. We'll see the life cycle of an applet. There are various methods which are typically used in applet for initialization and termination purpose. The life cycle of applet is having four different stages, that is initialization, running state, ideal state, and dead or destroyed state. What these different four stages are meant by, we'll see in detail. That is initialization state, when an applet gets loaded into enters into initialization state. For this purpose, the init method is used. In this method, we can initialize the required variables. This method is called only once initially at the execution of program, and its syntax is shown below, that is public void init. Now we'll see running state. When the applet enters into running state, it invokes the start method of applet class, and this the syntax of start method is shown below, that is public void start. Now we'll see the third stage, that is display state, and applet enters into display state when it wants to display some thing on the output. This may happen when applet enters in running state. The paint method is used for displaying or drawing the contents on the screen. The syntax for paint is shown below, that is public void paint, where we pass an argument that is graphics G. Now we'll see the last state, that is ideal state. This is ideal state in which applet becomes ideal. The stop method is invoked when we want to stop the applet when the applet is running. If we go to another page, then the method is invoked. The syntax of stop is shown below, that is public void stop. Last stage of applet is dead state. When the applet is said to be in dead state, it is removed from the memory. This method destroy is evoked when we want to terminate applet completely and we want to remove it from the memory. The syntax of dead state or destroy is shown below, that is public void destroy. There are two types of applets, that is local applet and remote applet. The local applet are the Java programs that are developed locally and stored in local system. We can embed those local applets into web pages. Remote applets is developed by someone on the remote computer. We can get connected to this remote computer using internet and can download the remote applet onto our system. Now we'll see a simple program for creating an applet where I've imported some interfaces, that is import Java AWT and import Java applet. These are very important. We want to import this for running an applet program. Afterwards, I've created which extends applet, in which I've written public void paint, which is to display something on the console. We use paint function. Therefore, using G dot draw string. Therefore, this string will be displayed on the browser. Therefore, we have used called this drawString function by using object which is G, which is the object of graphics class, which is in applet interface. Therefore, G dot drawString. This is my first applet. 50, 30 is the area or the location where we want to display this string. That is, this is my first applet. 50 is row and 30 is column. From the left hand top corner, it will start calculating, and at 50th row and 30th column, it will start printing, this is my first applet in the browser. This is the way we can write or create an applet.